Hey everyone! Someone was asking the other day if it was possible to change the alignment of a header image when we use a template, an Elementor template for all our pages. I think I found a clever way to do it, so let me show you how. Okay, so over here, what I have is just a basic Elementor template. I have a header, and then this is the content of the page. So in the header, you can see that I have a background image, and the background image is defined by the featured image of the page. So um, here I can set up my alignment, so it can be center in the middle, or at the bottom, or at the top. But if I put it center, it might be great for that specific image over here. But if I have another image, maybe I want it to be aligned at the bottom, not at the middle or at the top. But I can do that with a template since it's a template that would apply to all the images. But what I did is I bypassed this alignment. I set it to default, but I bypass it through CSS. So let me show you how I did that. So what I had in mind is, okay, so if I create an advanced custom field with ACF for the alignment, but that setting would be applied to all the pages. So if we have a look over here, so that's basically a selector with all the alignment possibilities set up here, with the default one being the center one. So the thing at the left is the values, and at the right it's the label. So when you select on a page, you see the label, but what I want to be returned is the real value. So the way I do that is over here, the return format can be either value, label, or both as an array, but what I want is the value, so the left part. So this is now available on all my pages. And when you want to change them, you go over there here in the settings, and then you can put it to the top, or let's leave it to the center for that one. After that, the value was a CSS class that I've defined here. So you can see the classes, it's the same thing. So I have a class for left top alignment. I have another one for center here. And I align the background image and the background overlay image. So that's what I do with those. Okay, so after that, it should be quite straightforward. If we go to a template, let's just test it. Over here, what I've tried to do is to return the value in a title, in a heading, the value of the ACF field. So I've selected this field. However, you see that it doesn't work since it returns the label of the field, not the value. I don't understand why that is, but it might be a bug in Elementor. Anyway, it doesn't work. So what I've done instead is I've created a shortcode, and that shortcode extracts the value, the real value, not the label, but the value of the custom field, and outputs it there. So we'll be able to use the shortcode after for our alignment. So the way I've created my shortcode is through this snippet. So you see that I add my shortcode here. So that's the name of my shortcode. And the shortcode basically just returns the value of the field. And that's it. So now I have the class as the value that outputs my shortcode. And I can use it in my template here to the alignment. I can use it here, but what I can do is add the class here. So if you see here, that's the short code. It gets the alignment class and then populates the template. So for page one, the alignment was center. So you can see it here. And for page two, the alignment was center bottom. So that class, and the alignment is at the bottom. Yep. So I think that's it. It was there's still a bug with Elementor that do not allow us to add the directly the class name. I don't understand, but with using the shortcode, it was great. So yeah, so that was my solution to that problem. See ya. Bye bye.